Veritasium is the pinnacle of YouTube packaging. Just look at how many thumbnails and titles they have tested for this video. I wanted to get this video out quickly before they change them again because they keep swapping the thumbnails and the titles all the time. So let's break down what they are doing that's making their packaging so good. The first thing Veritasium is doing better than anyone else is their curiosity. Every thumbnail and title leaves something unfinished in your head, which makes you wanna get an answer from the video. Take this as example. The thumbnail shows save on the Samsung Galaxy S25 and on the Google Pixel. So now we are thinking I use tap to pay all the time. How something that's supposed to be safe actually end up losing you money. And then the title. How secure is tap to pay? You use it all the time, so your brain goes, wait, is it not secure? What's going on? They don't give you everything in the thumbnail and the title. They just want you hanging and leaving with the curiosity gap, and that makes you wanna click on the video to fill the curiosity gap. The second thing Veritasium does better than anyone is their thumbnails. And honestly, you gotta give credits to the Veritasium team who are coming up with these thumbnail ideas because they are very unique and you can't see them anywhere else. As most of the creators are doing right now, they don't copy the working thumbnails, they are inventing the thumbnails that other people copy. And every time you see one of the thumbnails, it makes you hella curious. Look at this one. A hand holding a piece of ice, text saying white gold. And that's all you get. You pause for a second, white gold, what is that supposed to mean? How size supposed to be valuable? It's not obvious, and that's exactly why it works. You want to click on the video to find out how ice was valuable back in the day, and that's how they make people click. And the third thing they are doing better than anyone else is iterations. They don't just upload a video and wait for views to come in. They change the thumbnail and the title a ridiculous amount of times, and most of the time a viewer watches the video and they see the video again. They can't tell that was the same video because they are using different angles for every video, and they repackage their videos over and over again and remove what doesn't work and add new concepts that are working, and they test relentlessly, and that's why you can watch a Veritasium video and a week later the same video will have a different thumbnail and the title. Something people underestimate is the video idea, and the video idea itself is part of the packaging. Veritasium picks topics that are rememberable and they can use different angles for the same topic. So example, they have a very good angle where you think you know how X works, you don't. That's a good angle they use. When a topic has a counterintuitive truth behind it, the title almost writes itself. And after all, you can use different angles for the same topic if you can find different angles for the same topic. So that's why Veritasium dominates packaging. Curiosity gaps that makes you click, thumbnails that are very simple but makes you question everything, and relentless A/B testing, topics with built-in reframes. If you want to improve your own packaging, it's still one of those principles on your next video and see how it will perform. Or if you want someone to take your channel seriously and help you grow, there is a link below to book a call with me, and I'll work with you personally and I'll help your channel grow with better packaging. And if your goal is to bring clients, I will help you with that, and if your goal is to bring in more views, I will help you with that too. And just book a call and answer the questions in the forum, and thanks for watching.